Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm working on a 2017 Corolla. I'm gonna change the battery. The size of the battery is group 35. I have the new one right here, group 35. And what you're gonna need for this job, you're gonna need a 10 millimeter socket for here and wrench for here. All right. So let's get to it. Alright, so it's gonna be 10 millimeter. Let's go get it. And guys, if you haven't subscribed already, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. That'll help me help you. First thing first, you want to take off the negative terminal. Alright. So you just want to take that off. Get that off the way. Same thing for the positive. Get that off the way. Then you want to come here, and here with your 10 millimeter. Time to get. Alright, so I got my 10. I have my 10 millimeter right here. Get that off, up and out. Want to catch your screw before it drops. Same thing over here. You want to catch this before it drops. All right. Goes up. This might go like that. Now it's time to remove the battery. So you can hold the battery with your hand and take it up, but I got this, so, and you guys don't need this, but I got this. So get this out the way. Alright, so the new battery comes with a handle. That's good. Put it in here, and make sure your positive is on your left, negative is over here. Go ahead and get this back on, right? So that's good. So get your battery protector. So this helps the battery not to corrode as much. Alright. Thank you guys for your love and support. Please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Help me help you. Thumbs up if I help you, alright? Yeah, I know I tell you guys see you next time, but I remember somebody say after I change the battery I should crank the car so they can see what's going on. So let's do that. So when I come in the car after I change the battery, I normally turn the ignition on just for a little bit. So let's give it a few seconds, everything kind of relearn, and then I'm gonna go ahead and crank the car. But normally on these Toyotas, every time I crank the car after I change the battery, it cut off. But then I crank it up and it crank right back up. Alright, so let's do that. Okay, it didn't cut off. But that's it. I have no check engine light, as you can see, and the radio still work. Nothing happened. The most might happen, you might reset the radio, as in where this part concerned. But that's it, guys. Peace out. See you next time.